Oh man, we were so close to catching Steam Smythe, and then the rust bucket broke down. He could be anywhere by now. Oh, I better get it working again before I melt. It's so hot. Not here. Nope. Where on earth did I put my tools? No tools? No tools! How am I going to fix the rust bucket without my tools? They must be around here somewhere. I'm sure I packed them. The rust bucket. Oh, this is hopeless. Aha! Got you, you little slimy little toad. You think you can follow me to my secret hideout without me noticing, eh? Hey, who are you calling a toad? Oh, did I hurt your little feelings? What are you gonna do about it? You're gonna regret that. It's hero time! Uh-oh. Who's the little one now? Next time, pick on someone your own size. Wait, I think there's been a misunderstanding. Whoa, I'm getting dizzy. You're getting dizzy? Oh, thank you. I'll promise I'll be good. Just please no more spinning. You're right. You're way too heavy for that. Maybe I should work out a little more first. Hey, put me down. I'm not some sort of tool for your exercise routine. Smythe, you're a genius. I am? You might not be good for working out, but you're exactly what I need to fix the rust bucket. What? A little screwing here. Yeah! A couple of hammers here. Ow, ow, ow. A bit of sawing here. All looks a bit dirty now. I think my rust bucket needs a good polish. Polish? This thing's a pile of junk. Well, with your help it won't be. Thanks, Smythe boy. I couldn't have done it without you. Wow, good as new. All I needed was the right tool for the job. I'll get you next time, you little brat. Mark my words.